Silver prices traded with swings, taking the support from 5-period moving average, which we have seen for the last few weeks. 5-period moving average offering it a very good support. We have seen the lows at 41.20, and since then it has closed the week at the top and beyond $43 mark. Can we expect silver to hit 44 or in fact $45 levels this week? Or the highs are done and wait for a reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly forecast. I do share my twice a day updates on silver. Or now it is daily update every day with the Asia and Europe session. I share the update. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into the charts and indicators. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the end. Now, when you look at the weekly charts here for silver, you can find out since taking the dip, we have seen a rise, then a consolidation, then a rise, then a slight consolidation, and again a breakout move. This is an exponential rise. It is looking upwards. Second thing here is look at the closing here. It is closed at the top, which is a very good bullish indication. It is suggestive that we can expect it to rise further. And most importantly, if you see now silver breaching beyond 43, 45 levels, we can expect first target to be at 44 and the next at 45. Yes, if it trades beyond 43, 45 levels, we can expect 44, the first target, to be easily there. But right now, too early to jump onto that conclusion. Things are getting slightly overbought here. Look at the support it is getting from the 5-period moving average. And even if you stretch the plot, it is going to be somewhere here at around 41.80, 41.50 zone. And as long as 41.80, 41.50 is not taken in the coming week, you should not be treating this as a bearish reversal. Very crucial for silver to trade below this and then 41. If and only if it trades below this zone, you can say that this is a reversal, else it is not showing any such sign. Notice since the rise and the retracement, since forming the support here at 35, 36, it has shown a very massive rally here. Almost a 20% yield is seen in just last few weeks rather. Because see what a good support it is created here at 35, and right now we are at 43. Precisely more than 20% yield in just few weeks. Handsome run, strong run it is. But the stronger the rise, the stronger has to be the pullback, though right now it is not showing any such sign. If you see the stock, I think this is getting extremely overbought. This calls for it to start retracing soon. And if you look at the historical move in silver, it is followed with definitely a reversal. Whenever on the weekly charts you see things are getting overbought, it pulls back sharp, it pulls back sharp. You can look at historically and it is again at the same zone. But right now it is not willing to give up, it appears so. I will definitely watch out for the coming week. Because see, once it trades beyond 42, 40, 42, 50, you can say there will be a downward pull. I will be looking forward to 42 first, 41.50, 41.40 seconds, and 41 the third, below which you can say that now this is the time for reversal, else it is not yet bearish here. Look at the MACD here also. Rise, retracement, and again a rise. It is still having room for further highs here. Hence, we have to watch out with caution. The coming week is going to be very crucial. It might hit the peak, which it would never return back to. And yes, this could be possible that the coming week might be the last bullish week. And yes, if it stretches the bull run in the coming month, this could be the last one, the last week and the coming month. These two are going to be very decisive. In fact, the coming 2 weeks are going to be very decisive for silver. The highs it achieves in the next 2 weeks might remain the highs. RSI getting overbought here. Coming to now, look at the daily chart. See what a support it has created here. Now, this is the support. It has to trade below $41 zone. And yes, 40, 40, 40, 50 indeed is the strongest one. As long as the silver prices stays above 40, 40, 40, 50, or in fact 41, we should not be treating this as bearish. Notice it has formed a support and higher highs. This is an expanding triangle. Now, coming week is pretty crucial. As I mentioned, once you see trading beyond 43, 45, I think it is not going to come back. The targets are towards 44, and in fact, we can expect 45 very soon. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Stochastic after the drop now will be looking upwards again. The MACD, which has tried to converge and this is shown a sign of reversal, but again it is starting to diverge. This possibility is there, but also this is at extremes here, so it increases the chances of reversal. Though right now, silver, the last trading session what we had seen is an amazing move, and this suggests that it is a possible reversal here. It might head higher. However, the first trading session you should watch out for, that will decide the direction it wants to take. A move beyond 43, 40, 45 is the confirmation that it has taken a direction. The RSI has cooled down now, trying to get back into overbought zone. Coming to the 4-hour charts, look at the 4-hour chart. Since the drop here, it is consolidated and then this breakout has appeared. Now it is at the top here. I'll definitely watch out how it behaves. How it behaves till 43, 45. Look at the base it has created. Also, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. And it appears the high is somewhere here. It has to break past this. The stochastic back to overbought levels, but look at MACD. Since the sharper drop, it is crossed over and this is looking upwards, trading bullish. RSI is rising as well. The last chart is the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, straight fourth bullish candle. Since a slight retracement, you can see the year started around close to 28.80, $29 zone, and since then for the year we have more than or almost 50% rise here, 50% yield in a single year. What a massive run it has been for silver. Also look, last time when it was at 22, this was the last run when we have seen a 50% yield. Then the period of a phase of consolidation has begun, and now again a 50% yield. So it appears that we are very close to the highs here. Let's wait for the closure of this month, and specifically the next month is also going to remain a critical one. Why? Because see, it has formed a support, first bullish candle, increasing body size suggests coming month might also achieve the highs here. Also notice here the 5 period moving average is right now sitting at around 38, 39, far below, and the candle is outside completely Bollinger Bands. Now notice on the monthly charts, it is always difficult for silver to sustain such a run, and that is why the coming month is going to be pretty important. See here also it was completely outside bands, and then the next couple of months it is followed with a greater dip, and that is why I say this coming week and coming month are two candles which you should watch out for. And the next 2 weeks will decide whether the complete month of October is going to be a bullish one or it is going to reverse. And hence, coming week and the next first week, that is next to next week, is what is going to be the most important factor for silver. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought, the MACD extremely overbought, the RSI extremely overbought. Here things are getting overbought. It can stretch here, it can sustain here for the next month as well, and hence you have to stay cautious. Now considering this, time for me to give you the trading levels. And before I give you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the mentorship batch. 34th batch started this week. What you get in this batch, we'll equip you with all the tools, techniques and strategies with the help of which you can identify a profitable trade with these. The next is, if you miss to join any of the classes, you can re-attend any of the live batches in the future, and yes, you will also get the recordings for your reference, and you will also be part of our students alumni signals channel, where you get all the discussions on trades and trends with respect to each and every instrument. Do not miss to join the mentorship batch. Reach out to me for queries, else you can be also part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for queries. Now, yes, and those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy at 43.20 levels. Expect 43, 40, 45 as the first target zone. Staying above this, as I have mentioned, I will be looking forward to 44 with the intermittent resistance at 43.72, and then I will be looking at 44 directly. Staying beyond 44, this time the targets are towards $45. Keep a note of this. Staying above 44, I think 45 at least has to be achieved, even if it has to reverse. It might do it in a quick succession, and if it does show in a quick succession, that is, it moves towards 45 very fast, then a rapid reversal can be seen here. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell 42.80 levels here. Expect 42, 50, 40 as the support zone. Very good support exists here. Then I will expect 42 as the next one. And if it trades below 42, 41, 60, 41.40 should appear the next target though. Once this is taken, 41, and see, if this time silver trades below 41, this could be the possible beginning of reversal here, where we are looking at 40, 50, 40, 40, and then I will say below this the direct targets are towards 39.50 and $38 levels. Now remember, we are talking about from 43 to 38, a 10% correction. Though this is silver, if it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well. We have seen 6% rise hikes in the last few years. We have seen 6 to 7% in a single trading session. So it is not difficult for silver to erase such 10% in a single week, but I think it is going to be not the case for silver. It is still staying bullish. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again on Monday with my daily updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.